questions or asking your questions, then sir can be able to explain all those things without asking any questions, not involving in interaction. So just like sitting here, it's no use at all. Okay, participate, అందరూ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వండి, చెయ్యండి. Okay, anyone?
What if I say I did this for money? What if I say I did this for only money? So let me share up my cybersecurity journey. So when I was in my second year of my bachelor's, I had seen one of my seniors who is acing up his in cybersecurity and getting all the bounties. So what again the bounties means? So whenever you find out, you all use the social media applications, right? So in that social media applications, there might you say glitches. Anyone heard of the glitches and bugs? While you are updating the apps, there is one sort of thing like bug fixes. So a bug is a kind of thing, or it's a security malfunctioning which can lead a hacker to pass on to the other systems and hack into it. So if you are going to put up all the practical stuff in the cybersecurity and go on with the hunting bugs and reporting them, you get a lot of money. And you got a lot of fame actually. So previously when I was into this IIIT Hyderabad, I worked as an SDE in Nylazone Solutions, a company based out in Noida. And I was also community lead for OAS LPU. OAS is an top one company, I can say, in the terms of cybersecurity, which provides all the knowledge and open source contributions. Okay. Let's go ahead. I'm done with my boring introduction. So let's go ahead with the contents. How you are gonna pawn? Anyone knows the meaning of this? PWNED. It's a cybersecurity term. Name's hacker. You are hacker. So first I'm gonna talk up what the cybersecurity is and how you can go up the pursue your careers in the cybersecurity, and what are the people gonna say when you are pursuing cybersecurity, and what's the real truth, ground reality. Paths. Two cybersecurity guys aren't same. If you are studying cybersecurity and your friend is also studying cybersecurity, you both are not same. Not at all same. Every cybersecurity hacker or analyst or penetration tester has their uniqueness. And that comes with a question. Are you safe? Come on. What's the cybersecurity? I really want some interactions on this. What is exactly cybersecurity and what's in your mind when it comes to the cybersecurity?
It secures the data.
And cool. Good one. And any answers, whether it's a joke, whether it's a truth, whatever. I really want to understand about the cybersecurity. What comes into your mind when it is cybersecurity, or when you ever seen cybersecurity name in the newspaper or news channel or PPT slides or anywhere.
Hacking.
Nice.
Data encryption.
Cool.
Securing from unauthorized access.
Securing from authorized access.
Unauthorized access.
Unauthorized access. Okay.
From malware attacks.
Malware attacks.
SQL injections.
Nice. Who's that one? Cool. Yeah. What else?
Writing of program and digital attacks.
Yeah. These are all the different definitions of the cyber security, and there are more. But fine, we are okay with the Google definitions, right? Whatever your definition, if you say this the same to the, if you write the same thing in your exam papers, what is going to happen? The Google definitions matters. The book definitions is more matters actually. But is it really cool when it comes to the interviews, answering the same Google question? What the interviewer gonna say? Are you Google? No, right? Yeah. So coming to the interviews, leaving this all the cyber security apart, no matter what interview you are going in, whether it's a data science, whether it's a cloud, whether it's some computing, or else it's just a plain SDE role, no matter what it is, they're gonna ask you one thing: what you have learned apart from the college curriculum. This is the question I faced in my many interviews. Engager. Being active on the social media is so cool. I was also the one who is very active on the social media. Also, being active on the different side of platforms, maybe coming to the SDEs, it's the lead code, and HackerRank, HackerRank, and so on. Coming to the data science, Kaggle is so important. Every data scientist is gonna ask you the Kaggle profile. Cybersecurity, there are some, and we're gonna definitely look into them. And my consideration and opinion on this is only one thing: cybersecurity should be learned by everyone, at least some basic knowledge. Today I'm gonna definitely talking about this, and I will be sharing some experiences of my own during my internships or projects, collaborations, anything. Coming to this, I don't know making so much wasting of so much time on this particular thing. The cybersecurity is a practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, and blah blah blah, and all the electric stuff. No matter what it is, if you are having the power and Wi-Fi connectivity, that means that's it. You are hacker. You are not at all safe. Cool. Chalo. Who does like the goodies? Gifts? Everyone likes? I had gift for you. If you are having mobile phones, can you all open that link? Let me know what you got. Yes?
Sir, that link is used to hack the IP address.
Okay.
It is a tool in Linux, or we can
Okay.
use any operating system.
Okay.
By using Grapify tool, we can hack the IP address.
Okay.
Network they are using.
Nice.
Then we get the
And?
information.
Cool. That's a good answer. That's a good answer actually. Yeah. How many open? How many of you open the link? Yeah, you can sit. You can sit. You can sit. Chalo, cool. So, yeah. I guess I captured very earlier in the stuff. That's good. That's good. Having this kind of knowledge is very nice. So, yeah, I thought to put up this thing in the last, but cool. I really appreciate you. What's your name?
Sanjay, sir.
Sanjay. Yeah, that's really good. So, being a speaker, you all believe in me, right? And I put on some link, and so okay, cool. Anyone open the link? Yes. What you got? PDF? Nice. So what do you think? What are you going to think? So you click on the link. So some very close friend of you. So this is the Grapify link, right? it captures your IP addresses and your locations, your networks, what network you are using, what IP address you are in, and if I purchase the premium and stuff, I'll get more the details. But if I generate it on my own, I'll get more details. And there are many ways. So some of you, let me take up a scenario over here. Some of your best friend, close friend, gonna say, you get a message, dude, I got a Netflix premium for free of cost. Or else I got the Amazon Prime premium for the free of cost. You just need to do one thing. Just click on this link. It will say, let's start. And you are gonna start it. It says, send it to the 5 people. That's it. Once you got the 5 people, it will say, we'll once verify with our database. And once the results are pretty clear, we're gonna mail you the credentials of the Netflix, you say. And